Did you know that if you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon? It sounds impossible, but let's unfold this incredible fact together. Every time you fold a paper, its thickness doubles. This is the power of exponential growth. Imagine starting with a thin sheet of paper, just 0.1 millimeters thick. Fold it once, it's 0.2 millimeters. Fold it again, 0.4 millimeters. By the 7th fold, it's as thick as a notebook. At 10 folds, it's about the width of your hand. At 20 folds, the paper would be over 100 meters thick, taller than a skyscraper. At 30 folds, it reaches 100 kilometers, piercing through the Earth's atmosphere. By 42 folds, the thickness surpasses 440,000 kilometers, enough to reach the moon. This phenomenon showcases exponential growth, where numbers double rapidly, leading to astonishing results. In reality, the record for folding paper is 12 times, achieved by Brittany Gallivan in 2002 using a special long piece of paper. She even derived an equation to calculate the limits of folding based on paper thickness and length. So, while physically folding a paper 42 times isn't feasible, mathematically, it demonstrates how quickly things can escalate. This concept applies to everything from viral videos to population growth. Isn't it mind-blowing how something as simple as folding paper reveals the astonishing power of mathematics? If this amazed you, hit the like button and share it with others who love fascinating science facts.